Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension to your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you want to take your ChatGPT game to the next level, you have to use this Chrome extension. So when you install this Chrome extension, you can use all of the public prompts that are really great. You will also get other tools you are going to able to use at automatic writing style, tone, language, output to your prompts. You are going to be able to save your prompts and all that stuff. So if you want to get all of these free public ChatGPT prompts to your GPT account, you have to install this AIPRM extension, and all you have to do is Google AIPRM Chrome extension in Google search. In the first page on the search results with the AIPM for ChatGPT, click on the result and this will take us to this page, and all we have to do install this AIPRM for ChatGPT extension. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, and now as you can see, if we wait couple of seconds, you can see that the AIPRM Chrome extension has been added to our ChatGPT account, and now we can use these public prompts or save our own ChatGPT prompt templates. So let's use an example. We can use this prompt to generate a full article with SC optimized article, and all we have to do is just add the keyword top 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT. So all you have to do is add the keyword, and as you can see, it will auto generate a title and description, blog post, and all the headings, subheadings. So it's a great way to make your ChatGPT generations a lot faster. This is how to install the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension to your web browser and use this tool to create faster generations. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.